Imagine a world much different from our own. A world untouched by human hands, where nature reigned supreme and the landscape was dominated by vast forests, towering mountains and expansive oceans. This was a time when the Earth was still young, and life was just beginning to flourish in ways we can scarcely imagine today. This is the Mesozoic Era, a time spanning over 180 million years. It was an era of incredible transformation, where the planet underwent dramatic changes that would shape the future of all life on Earth. From the rise of the first dinosaurs to the emergence of flowering plants, the Mesozoic was a period of unparalleled growth and evolution. The air is warm and humid, much warmer than today. The atmosphere is thick with moisture, creating a greenhouse effect that supports lush, dense vegetation. This warm climate allowed for the proliferation of diverse ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, each teeming with life. Ferns and giant trees cover the land. These ancient plants, some reaching heights of over 100 feet, formed the backbone of the Mesozoic flora. Their massive canopies provided shelter and food for countless species, creating a complex web of life that thrived in the prehistoric world. This is the world where dinosaurs roamed. These magnificent creatures, ranging from the small and nimble to the colossal and powerful, dominated the land. They were the undisputed rulers of their time, adapting to a variety of environments and evolving into a myriad of forms. The Mesozoic era is divided into three periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each of these periods brought its own unique set of changes and developments, marking distinct phases in the history of our planet. Each period had its own unique climate and landscape. The Triassic period, for instance, was characterized by a hot and dry climate, with vast deserts and sparse vegetation. In contrast, the Jurassic period saw a warmer and wetter climate, leading to the growth of lush forests and an explosion of plant and animal life. The Triassic was hot and dry, a time when the first dinosaurs began to appear. These early dinosaurs were relatively small and had to adapt to the harsh, arid conditions of their environment. The Jurassic was warm and wet, a period that saw the rise of some of the most iconic dinosaurs, such as the mighty Brachiosaurus and the fearsome Allosaurus. The abundant vegetation provided ample food for these giants, allowing them to grow to enormous sizes. And the Cretaceous saw a cooling trend. This period was marked by the diversification of plant life, including the first appearance of flowering plants. The changing climate also led to the evolution of new dinosaur species, each uniquely adapted to their environment. During the Mesozoic, life on Earth flourished. The warm and stable climate, combined with the rich and varied landscapes, created ideal conditions for the evolution of a wide range of species. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks, life found a way to thrive. Dinosaurs, the dominant land animals, evolved into a dazzling array of shapes and sizes. Some were swift and agile, perfect for hunting or evading predators, while others were massive and powerful, capable of fending off any threat. They ranged from tiny bird-like creatures to colossal long-necked giants. Each species had its own unique adaptations, allowing them to survive and thrive in their specific niches. The Mesozoic was a time of dramatic change. Continents shifted, climates fluctuated, and ecosystems transformed. These changes drove the evolution of life, leading to the incredible diversity of species that we see in the fossil record today. And life on Earth adapted and diversified. The constant changes in the environment forced species to evolve and adapt, resulting in a dynamic and ever-changing tapestry of life. Let us journey back in time and explore the fascinating world of the dinosaurs. Through the lens of science and imagination, we can uncover the mysteries of this ancient era and gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shaped our planet. At the beginning of the Mesozoic era, all the Earth's landmasses were joined together in one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. Pangaea was surrounded by a vast global ocean called Panthalassa. This supercontinent played a crucial role in the early evolution and spread of dinosaurs. With all the land connected, dinosaurs could roam freely across vast distances. This allowed them to populate different regions and adapt to various environments. However, Pangaea was not static. Throughout the Mesozoic, this supercontinent slowly began to break apart. This separation had a profound impact on the evolution and distribution of dinosaurs. As continents drifted apart, they became isolated from one another. This isolation led to the evolution of unique dinosaur species on different continents. Our understanding of early dinosaur migration comes from fossil evidence. These ancient remnants buried for millions of years serve as a window into the distant past. They allow us to piece together the movements and behaviors of these magnificent creatures that once roamed the earth. Footprints, bones, and even eggshells tell the story of their movements. Each fossilized footprint is like a snapshot, capturing a moment in time. Bones reveal the physical structure and adaptations of these animals, while eggshells can provide clues about their reproductive habits and nesting behaviors. By studying these clues, we can trace their journeys across ancient landscapes. Scientists meticulously map fossil sites, analyzing the distribution of remains to understand migration patterns. Aerial views of excavation sites reveal the vast areas these creatures once inhabited, painting a picture of a world long gone. One of the most important pieces of evidence is the discovery of similar dinosaur fossils on different continents. This phenomenon suggests that these creatures were once part of a connected landmass, moving freely across what we now know as separate continents. For example, fossils of the Plateosaurus, a long-necked herbivore, have been found in both North America and Europe. This indicates that these dinosaurs lived during a time when the continents were still joined together, allowing them to migrate across vast distances. This suggests that these dinosaurs lived during a time when the continents were still connected, allowing them to migrate freely. The concept of continental drift, where the Earth's landmasses slowly move over geological time, explains how these fossils ended up so far apart. As Pangaea began to break apart, these populations became separated, eventually evolving into distinct species. This separation led to a divergence in evolutionary paths, resulting in the rich diversity of dinosaur species we discover today. The study of dinosaur footprints, called ichnology, provides further insights. These ancient trackways are more than just marks in the ground. They are records of behavior, interaction, and movement. Trackways reveal information about their gait, speed, and social behavior. By examining the spacing and depth of footprints, scientists can infer whether a dinosaur was walking or running, traveling alone or in a group. These fossilized footprints offer a glimpse into the lives of these ancient creatures. They help us understand not just where dinosaurs went, but how they lived, interacted, and thrived in their prehistoric world. Each discovery adds a new piece to the puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding the full story of these incredible animals. Section 4. Adapting to survive herbivores and carnivores. Dinosaurs, like all living things, had to adapt to their environment to survive. This adaptation was crucial for their survival in a world that was constantly changing, with shifting climates, evolving flora, and the ever-present threat of predators. Each species developed unique traits and behaviors that allowed them to thrive in their specific niches. Herbivores, with their plant-based diets, faced the challenge of finding enough food in a constantly changing world. They had to navigate vast landscapes in search of vegetation, which could be scarce during certain seasons or in particular regions. Their survival depended on their ability to locate and consume a variety of plants, from low-lying ferns to towering conifers. Some herbivores, like the Stegosaurus, developed defensive plates and spikes to protect themselves from predators. These physical adaptations served as a deterrent against carnivorous dinosaurs, making it more difficult for them to attack. The Stegosaurus's distinctive plates may have also played a role in thermoregulation, helping the dinosaur to maintain its body temperature. Others, like the Triceratops, evolved horns and frills, possibly for display or defense. These features could have been used in combat with predators or in social interactions within their own species. The Triceratops' impressive horns and frills made it a formidable opponent, capable of defending itself and its herd from threats. Carnivorous dinosaurs, on the other hand, faced the challenge of hunting prey in a competitive environment. They had to be agile, stealthy, and powerful to catch their meals. The competition for food was fierce, and only the most adept hunters could secure enough sustenance to survive and reproduce. They developed sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and keen senses to track and capture their meals. These adaptations allowed them to efficiently process their prey, ensuring they could extract the maximum amount of nutrients. Their keen senses, such as acute vision and a strong sense of smell, were essential for detecting and pursuing potential prey. The Tyrannosaurus rex, with its massive skull and bone-crushing teeth, is a prime example of a highly specialized predator. Its formidable bite could crush bones, allowing it to access the nutritious marrow inside. This ability gave the T-Rex a significant advantage, as it could consume parts of its prey that other predators might leave behind. Its powerful legs allowed it to chase down prey, while its small arms remain a mystery to scientists today. Some theories suggest that the arms may have been used for grasping during mating or for holding on to struggling prey. Despite their size, the T-Rex's arms were incredibly strong, capable of lifting significant weight. The combination of these adaptations made the T-Rex one of the most fearsome predators of its time. Section 5. A world-divided plate tectonics reshapes the Earth. As Pangaea continued to break apart, the continents drifted further apart. This continental drift, driven by plate tectonics, had a dramatic impact on the evolution and distribution of dinosaurs. New oceans formed, creating barriers that isolated dinosaur populations. This isolation led to the development of unique species on different continents, each adapted to its own environment. For example, South America became home to a diverse array of sauropods, massive long-necked herbivores. These giants thrived in the continent's lush forests, isolated from the rest of the world. The breakup of Pangaea also led to the formation of new mountain ranges, deserts, and other habitats. These changes created a mosaic of different environments, each supporting its own unique set of dinosaur species.